Ardoq is a data-driven enterprise architecture platform with a consumer-grade user experience. Ardoq is framework agnostic, supports agile and iterative approaches, and is also powered by graph analytics. So what does all this mean? Well, it means that you can use iterative approaches to model, document, and analyze any of your organization's challenges that you can represent in a graph. A graph is basically a thing that points to another thing, which again might point to a third thing. We call a thing a component, and a pointer to another component is called a reference. Those components and references are of different types, and they can have different properties, like cost or risk. Properties are called fields in Ardoq. Components and references are contained in something we call workspaces. Those workspaces act as repositories for different domains of components. Components can be referenced across different workspaces, so you can connect any type, such as an application, to a business capability or business process. If we don't have an out-of-the-box meta model that defines component types and references that matches your needs, you can easily build it yourself by creating your own meta models, or just expand on the ones we already have. Our goal is to let everyone in your organization participate with their knowledge and also understand the information contained in Ardoq's graph. That's why we built dashboards for analytics and dynamic, always up-to-date presentations that can visualize the latest information in a variety of different ways. This means that you don't draw in Ardoq, but you add and connect data to create information that can be analyzed and consumed. Data can be added directly in the application, imported from Excel, ServiceNow, or custom integrations through our REST API. We even have an integration with Zapier, which basically allows you to integrate over 1,500 SaaS applications with Ardoq all by yourself. Or why not create tailor-made surveys that domain experts can use to enter and link data? That way, they don't have to have any training in Ardoq. This is just a quick introduction to some of the many capabilities data-driven enterprise architecture with Ardoq can give you. Check out Ardoq's application portfolio management module and see how it can make your workday easier.